Hi, this is Matt from GravityWiz. Today we are learning how to create address fields with a searchable country or state drop-down in Gravity Forms using GravityPerk's Advanced Select. This is what the default country drop-down looks like in Gravity Forms. It's a long list of over 200 countries and a pain to scroll through. What we're going to build today is a much more user-friendly experience. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is ensure GP Advanced Select is installed and activated in Spellbook. Now that's done, let's head over to our form. I'm going to add two address fields to the form. The first one I'll use to demo the country search. This one has the address type of international. The second field I'll use to demo the state search. I'm going to set this address type to United States. On each address field, I'm going to scroll down to the Perks tab and enable Advanced Select. That's all there is to it. Advanced Select will now automatically detect any drop-down subfields within the address field and turn these into searchable drop-downs. Let's save the form and preview it to see how it works. You'll see on my international address field, we're presented with a search input when clicking the country drop-down. Typing into this filters the countries, making it super easy to find the correct one. The state drop-down in the US address field works in the same way. Clicking it presents us with a search input where we can search for our state. Much easier than scrolling through all 50 choices. I hope this video has been helpful in learning how to create searchable country or state drop-downs on address fields using GP Advanced Select. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.